I recently stumbled upon the perfect product and knew I had to bring it to my customers. So I go to this site and bam, here is the perfect product.
Wait, how did you find it?
Go to this website, MITA MS, then Websites, then World Websites Database, and finally you'll find a drop-down menu with the label IP Owner, Parent IP Owner. Here, you'll search for Shopify. When you hit the search button, you'll be presented with a list of every single domain hosted or registered with Shopify. The best part is that they're ranked based on popularity, so you can easily scroll through thousands of top-performing Shopify stores. By clicking on the Go to the Website link right here, it will open a new window and display the website completely. Then to view their top-selling products, simply add this string to the end of the URL. I have included it in the description for your convenience. Simply copy it and paste it at the end of the URL, and it will take you directly to their page showcasing their best-selling products. Haha, you have found products that are selling well. Now we need to create our own version of them, and I chose the product Volcano Diffuser. That's why ChatGPT will help us now. I loved the design for this product, but not the name, so I came up with a new name. Change this name Volcano Diffuser to 10 different names. Okay, Erupto Mist, Fire Fountain, Volcano Vapor, and Lava Light. Yeah, this is it, Lava Light. Write me a 5-word catchy header for my Lava Light website. Erupt with soothing aromas. Infuse your space with lava. Blaze with fragrant vapors. Ooh, that's excellent. I ordered it from Amazon and got to work on setting up my Shopify store. My biggest challenge was writing a proper product description, but ChatGPT came to the rescue and helped me create a unique and appealing description. Write me a description for Volcano Diffuser. The Volcano Diffuser is a unique and attractive aromatherapy device that brings the peaceful ambiance of nature into your home. Yeah, I just need to change the name to Lava Light. Write me some bullet points, and boom, that is it. Okay, my shop is done. I have the product at home. Next, I needed to create some compelling TikTok videos to advertise my product. ChatGPT came through again, providing me with 10 video titles and 10 video ideas. Give me 10 video ideas to sell my Lava Light diffuser. Unboxing and product demonstration. Benefits of aromatherapy with Lava Light. Time-lapse video. Okay, now give me 10 TikTok titles for videos with Lava Light. All this is great. What hashtag should I include in my videos? Wow, Lava Light diffuser, Volcano diffuser, aromatherapy, all of this is fantastic. With my videos in hand, I set up my TikTok account and started uploading. In just a few days, I had my first sale. And after a week of uploading, I decided to boost my advertising efforts with paid ads. The result was impressive, reaching a sales rate of $7,000 per day. So there you have it, the power of ChatGPT in the e-commerce world. From enhancing product descriptions to generating creative video ideas, this AI model can transform your workflow and bring you closer to reaching your goals. So why wait? Take your e-commerce journey to the next level with ChatGPT today and watch your sales soar. Next, watch How to Start Dropshipping with No Money. Thank you for joining us and stay tuned for more exciting content. Until then, keep on thriving. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and see you in the next video.